Okay. This paper is 2002 paper. Question 1. True or false? Hydrous copper sulfate is green in color. Hydrous copper sulfate is CuSO4, 5H2O. It has 5 water molecules with each copper sulfate molecule. So the green color is not there, it is blue in color. So answer is false. So this is CuSO4, 5H2O. So when the water molecules are removed, this is called anhydrous copper sulfate. You get a gray color powder. So it is not a crystal, it is a gray color powder. This is also copper sulfate, but without water. That is 5H2O is removed. The second one is B. Riboflavin is red in color. Riboflavin is not red, it is yellow. This is riboflavin molecule. It is vitamin B2. Riboflavin is vitamin B2. This is the color of it. Okay. So go to question part C. Cornstarch is a crystalline compound. Now you get compounds as in crystals. If you get sugar, it is a crystal, sucrose. But if you take starch, it is not a crystal. It is called amorphous. It is a powder without any shape. No specific shape. So this is the description. What is the difference between amorphous and crystalline solids? So you should know it. Crystalline solids are firm solids. They are firm, not flowing. Hold a definite and fixed shape. It has a shape. It is rigid, strong. They have geometric shapes. So this is a crystalline arrangement. So very regular arrangement. This is polycrystalline, that is two types of crystals. This is amorphous. No specific arrangement here and there. So amorphous solids do not have a geometric shape. Non-crystalline. They do not have sharp edges. Okay. So examples are glass, gels, plastics. They are not crystals. So we will go to D, question D. Part D, then sodium bicarbonate has deliquescent properties. That is false. Deliquescent means you place you put a crystal on the table, so that crystal will absorb moisture from the air, and after some time, a few hours, you will see a liquid there dissolved. So that is, answer is false for sodium carbonate or sodium bicarbonate. Both are like same. Then temporary hardness, water hardness, we know that it is because of magnesium and calcium compounds in water. When you boil, the hardness goes away. It is temporary hardness. When you boil water, it deposits as hydroxides, magnesium hydroxide. So the answer is false, because it is not because of sodium iodide or sodium carbonate. This is slash sodium carbonate of sodium iodide. So answer is false. So when you go to question number 2, in question number 2, it is again true or false question. Iron oxides are used as coloring agents. Yes, iron oxides are used as coloring agents, but only ferric oxides. Remember, if it is ferrous oxide, if ferrous means Fe2 plus, ferric means Fe3 plus. Now, ferrous oxide is FeO. Ferric oxide is Fe2O3. Fe2O3. This is pink in color. So this is the one you use in lactocalamides and all. You get a faint pink color with ferric oxide. So not ferrous oxide. Ferric oxide has this 3 symbol because valence is 3. So question B, talc is a disintegrant agent. Talc is not a disintegrant agent. It is a glidant. What is glidant? Now, in industry, these glidants are used because glidant is increase the flow property. Now, in tablet manufacturing, you get the big part and then you place the powder. So the powder gradually goes down and tablet machine make the tablet. So if this is not flowing easily, then it will not give the proper flow to make the tablet. So to improve flow property, we use a glidant, that is actually talc. We use flow property. So lubricant is used in tablet manufacturing. Lubricants are something else because when the tablet is when it goes to the tablet manufacturing place, it has a punch. So like this one punch, and from down another punch. So these two come together and make the tablet here, punch the tablet here, press it. So after pressing, the tablet need to be released. So to release the tablet, you apply some lubricant, that is called. So with the powder, the lubricant also goes there. Mix with the powder. So the common lubricant is magnesium stearate. Magnesium stearate. Okay. Part C. Tricalcium phosphate is a buffering agent, false. That is a filler, diluent. Filler means you use it to make the size of the tablet increased. Size of the tablet is increased. So it is a diluent. It has no pharmaceutical action. So go to question part D. Chelate ethylene diamine tetraacetic acid, that is called EDTA, is an antioxidant. It is not an antioxidant. It is a chelating agent. It is used as anticoagulant. That is to prevent blood from clotting. So EDTA is a chelating agent. What is chelation? EDTA is a EDTA part of the EDTA molecule. When a metal ion like calcium or magnesium comes there, what happens is chelate means it's like it is not calcium 2 plus ion comes here. So around that you get nitrogen, oxygen, again nitrogen. So all these have long pairs of atoms in this molecule. So with these electrons, they catch the calcium ion. So calcium ion is not bound to one molecule, it is captured there. They hold it there. So it is called chelation. And go to gelatin, the second part. E, last one. Gelatin is made from seaweed. Gelatin is not made from seaweed. It is a animal origin source. It is manufactured from animal bones mainly, animal skin. So it is totally animal part. It is collagen. Partially hydrolyzed collagen. Okay, now go to the question 3. Naturally occurring compounds include following. They have given some compounds. You have to choose whether it is a natural compound or not. Pilocarpine, that is true, it is a plant product. Pilocarpine is a plant product. What is the plant? Pilocarpine jaborandi. So Pilocarpus jaborandi. Pilocarpine. It is true. It is from Pilocarpus jaborandi. This is the plant. So what is the action of pilocarpine? See these two molecules. It is a muscarinic cholinergic agonist. What is the meaning of that? See the molecular structure. So this is the neurotransmitter. Acetylcholine. This is acetylcholine neurotransmitter. This is pilocarpus. Pilocarpus works as acetylcholine. That means, I think I'm giving this is neurotransmitter. This is the nerve ending. So this is the nerve transmission of the message. So this last part, that is in the muscle and the nerve ending, is here. So from the nerve ending, acetylcholine release, and the muscle has the receptors for acetylcholine receptors. These receptors are when acetylcholine comes here, they stimulate. They get the muscle to relax or contract. So this is acetylcholine. So immediately after acetylcholine is here, there is another enzyme called acetylcholine esterase. Acetylcholine esterase remove this. Break down these two. Acetyl-CoA and choline. So that is the neurotransmission from this from the acetylcholine receptor. Okay. Now pilocarpine act as acetylcholine. That means if this nerve receptors receives pilocarpine molecules and act as they receive acetylcholine. Acetylcholine කරන වැඩේම pilocarpine වලින් වෙනවා. ඉතින් දැන් පාවිච්චි කරන තැන් බලා ගන්න. It causes mydriasis. Pilocarpine is a parasympathetic drug. Parasympathomimic means work as the parasympathetic natural neurotransmitter, that is acetylcholine. That is the meaning of this drug. Is isolated from Pilocarpus jacarandi, that is the plant. It is an alkaloid. Uses, it is given as a eye drop. And the other one is Trojan disease. Here also immune system attacks part of eye, and don't worry about too much. That if you like, you can read this and understand. Okay. The result. This is enlargement of pupil, that is called mydriasis. Miosis means contraction of pupil. This happens from this muscle layer, smooth muscle layer. Contraction or enlargement. Okay. So the result of pilocarpine is meiosis, that is the contraction of the pupil. Okay. The B is chloroquine. Chloroquine is a chemical, synthetic chemical. Chloroquine is given for malaria and amoebiasis and various diseases. So chloroquine is a synthetic drug used for malaria. It is given for amoebiasis. Chloroquine is a drug used for rheumatic diseases, that is especially rheumatoid arthritis. They are called autoimmune disorders. Rheumatoid arthritis is an autoimmune disorder. Autoimmune means the antibodies are produced their own body against their own body, and they get destroyed the joint cartilage. You have to know side effects of chloroquine is a very common question. nausea, blood vision, vomiting, abdominal cramps, headache, diarrhea, swelling of ankles, and shortness of breath. These are very common side effects. Right. Menthol is a natural product. Now menthol is synthesized in chemical methods, but originally it was a plant product. The plant is Mentha peperita. So there are so many Mentha species. So menthol is called peppermint camphor. See the difference. Menthol is and thymol is a antibacterial, that is antiseptic. So almost same, but thymol has a benzene ring. Menthol has no benzene ring. Otherwise, the total chemical structure is almost same, except the few hydrogen atoms. So menthol is a natural product. Prednisolone, false. Prednisolone is a steroid. It is a synthetic drug. This is the structure of any steroid. E carbon, carbon is a natural product. Okay. Carbon everywhere, activated carbon and all. Okay. Right. Thank you very much.